Have you been learning English for a long time, but still feel afraid to speak? Do you understand English, but your mind becomes blank during conversations? Then listen carefully, because today you are going to discover one powerful secret of English fluency. And the secret is simple. You must speak English. Not only read, not only listen, not only study grammar. You must talk in English every single day. And in this video, you will learn 10 powerful lessons that can completely change your English speaking confidence. So stay with me until the end. Let's begin. Lesson 1. Talking builds real fluency. Many people study English for years, but still cannot speak confidently. Why? Because they learn English, but they do not use English. Listen carefully. Fluency is not built inside grammar books. Fluency is built through speaking. English is a skill, and every skill improves through practice. Think about swimming. Can you learn swimming by reading books only? No, you must enter the water. Speaking English is exactly the same. You must use your voice. You must practice daily. At first, your English may feel slow. You may stop often. You may forget words. That is normal. Every fluent speaker started exactly like that. But if you continue speaking daily, your brain becomes faster, your mouth becomes smoother, and your confidence becomes stronger. Remember this powerful line. You do not become fluent before speaking. You become fluent because of speaking. Lesson 2. Talking removes fear. One of the biggest problems in English speaking is fear. Fear of mistakes, fear of embarrassment, fear of judgment. Many learners understand English, but stay silent because they feel nervous. But here is the truth. Fear becomes smaller only when you face it. The more you speak, the less afraid you become. At first, your voice may shake. You may feel uncomfortable. That is completely normal. But every time you speak, your brain learns something important. I can do this. Slowly, confidence starts growing. Do not wait to feel ready. Start speaking now. Even simple sentences can change your confidence. For example, today was a busy day. I want to improve my English. I feel tired today. Simple sentences, powerful practice. We are here to speak it confidently. See you in the next video.